Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait, I've just woken up. This is my morning face. I feel so tired still, but it's 8 o'clock right now, and yeah, it's my off day. During the week I'm always so busy. I go to work at 8, then come back late at home at around 8 also. So I have so many things planned up that I want to do. I already wrote my to-do list yesterday, and I just want to accomplish everything. I'm going to order a bed. I'm sleeping on my mattress on the floor. I don't have a bed yet. I think I just want a simple bed. I want a metal one. I'm going to talk to the fundi if he can make a metal. I also want to shoot some content. Maybe these morning hours I want to shoot content for maybe 4 hours. I'll be batching my content that will last for a whole week, because I'm normally busy. I won't get time to shoot content during the week, that I know. Then in the afternoon I'll just head out to run some errands. I'm going to buy some cutlery. Guys, imagine something so funny. I just have one plate in this house, one plate just for me. So I'm going to go out and buy some plates, maybe 2 or 3. I'm also going to just clean my house, because I haven't cleaned my house for 1 week now. It hasn't been cleaned. And I'm also going just to buy some groceries, do some little shopping here and there. I plan on buying an artificial plant. I have so many plants for this house. I want it to be like my safe haven. So guys, yeah, let's do that, and I'll take you through everything. As at now, I just want to wake up and take my breakfast. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, watch the video to the very end, give me a thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section what you think about this video, right? Gotten back home after a very long day at work. Anyways, my vlog yesterday didn't go as planned, because I was called in at work to like kushikilia mtu kazi ile yenye it's your off day, then you are called at work. I was kind of pissed off, but anyways I just went. So I didn't do anything that I planned to do. As you can see, even my hapo nyuma my kitchen area, like the plates are still so dirty. Like
everything is just in a mess in here. I'll check my dinner, my supper. I've just bought some chapatis and I'll just make tea. Then after the supper, I'll start the cleaning. I'll first of all I'll wash my utensils. Then after that I'll just arrange the living area. Like, I just arrange my house, basically. That's it. For the bathroom, it's a bit tidy because I'd already washed it earlier, so I won't wash the bathroom today, maybe for some other day. As at now, mitaka tu kuosha the plates, then mop the house, because it's been almost a week I haven't mopped my house. Like, everything is just everywhere. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, guys, please do subscribe and leave a sweet comment in the comment section, right, guys?
So guys, don't mind, like, this is just how my house looks like. See, that's the kitchen area. It's so dirty, I know. I'm going to clean this mess right now. Then over here I have, this area is a bit tidy kidogo. There's the gas there. Then I have some snacks over there, these stuffs. Down here I have my tray of eggs, the juice, the cranberry juice over there, some spices, just a little stuff. Then when you come this side is where I have my wardrobe and my mattress. I don't have a bed yet. I'm sleeping hapo chini, so yeah, that's where I sleep on. Then this side is supposed to be my living area. Oops. This side is supposed to be my living area, but I don't have any seats yet. But this is what I have. The sewing machine usually is at the corner right there. I have my bonnets in there. I do have a bonnet, like a hair accessory business, so I do sell bonnets, certain bonnets. They're in there in the laundry basket, some materials in those bags, yeah, and everything just in here. My materials that I used to sew. I was taking my supper already. I've already drank my tea and my chapatis, and yeah, that's it. This one, I have the what is this called? Is it a tripod and a ring light? The small one, this one. Then I have the bigger ring light over there. You can see it. That's it. That's basically how my house is. So let's get into washing the plates from this. So guys, I've already finished washing the dishes. This is all that I had. It's not a lot because I'm just staying alone, and so they're all in here. I have the seafood. Oops, I've just put them on top of my gas cooker, and yeah. So what's remaining is just arranging the house. Then I'll mop and then I'll go to bed. And guys, the reason as to why you see my sink this way, actually I really regret moving to this house because of the sink area. It's not even the sink alone. I have a lot of problems. Anyways,
That's why you should do a thorough check before moving into a new house. You should check the water system, you should check the piping if it's done all right. So when I moved here, the landlord was like, everything is okay, because okay, that day there was no water, but he assured me that when I move in, I'll find water. I think, oh, as a good girl that I am, and I was desperate to really move out of my parents' house, I came here not knowing there's a problem here. So this is the problem. Water isn't flowing all right. There's water, like the piping, like the water is there, yes, but it's not flowing. Imekwama tu hapa kwa sink, like haiendi inaenda, it is draining slowly by slowly, right? Then hapa chini, I guess you can see this like in a drain, then in your this area here, it's not tight, so you have to put something there like a bucket or something in it to hold on the water, and that really stresses me because I can't even put I can't put, what is it called, I can't put a carpet in this house, like, because the water ina flow hadi kwa mlango. Like if this container gets filled and I'm not there to replace it, the water will flow all the way towards the door. You see right there, it'll flow hivyo ikienda, so I can't put carpet over here. And again, when it's raining, there's a day that it rained so heavily, water like iliingia kwa nyumba, but it only drips on one point, which is near the door. It's an issue actually. Okay, it's an issue, yes, but I can deal with that because it's not a lot. But for the one that's at the sink area, this is so much worse. So I was planning on moving out. Maybe I'll just stay, like, nitaka kwa deposit, then I'll go look for a house somewhere else. But I really love this place because the house is so big, like nyumba ni kubwa, and that's what I wanted in a house. Anyways, let's go ahead. Let me just do the cleaning, and yeah, hope to catch you soon. Bye. Guys, right now I've already finished everything. I've done most of the things that I set out to do. I'm super tired, but I'm so glad I've done most of the stuff. And yeah, so what I'll do now is I'll just go to sleep. Like, I'm so tired because I have to wake up early tomorrow morning to go to work. Thank you for staying with me up to this place. So right now I'll just show you the surrounding. Like, I'll show you how my home looks like at the moment after cleaning and arranging everything. I don't have much yet, but I'm still grateful. I'm going to do slowly by slowly. I'll transform this house into just my safe haven, because I just want to come back home from whenever I go to hustle. I just want to come back home and find some, like, just a soft spot, a welcoming home, very warm home for me to relax and all the stuff, because I work so very hard for this. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and give me a thumbs up. I'm already in my sleeping gown and my bonnet. My bonnet is from Beyote Accessories. I do sell bonnets, guys, and we all know the benefits of bonnets, satin hair bonnets. Please do not sleep with anything but a satin bonnet, right? So at this point I'll just show you around, and yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. Bye guys.